Assalamu alaikum. Uh, Welcome you all. This is a session, short session, which I am going to explain you the use of this contraceptive wheel on Regulon. You must have received that. If you have not received, just tell me. Because explaining this cover, I would like to explain you regarding this wheel. I think it's very easy. You see there are two plates. The above one is moving over the other like this. Okay. This is very simple. Now how to use this? First of all, you will ask the doctor that see the condition of the patient, and according to the condition, the most suitable contraceptive is prescribed to the patient. For example, in this upper line, in this whole upper line, you are watching different conditions. Okay. So for example, I select the problem with headache. So here the headache is written and this gap is pointing towards the headache, and between the gap there are numbers are written. For example, from above to below, in all cases 1 is written, headache. So if you see the criteria, 1 means that it can be given at any circumstances. So that means all of these types of contraceptives can be given in headache. But if you rotate it to the migraine headache, okay, here the numbers are different. For example, number 4 is for combined oral contraceptive. That means 4 is not to give this contraceptive. So for example, Regulon is the combined oral hormonal contraceptive. Don't give, because it's number 4, don't give Regulon in migraine headaches. Okay, but it's number 1 in headache, non-migrainous headache. So you can give Regulon in simple headache. Likewise in smoking. If age is less than 35 years, okay, it's number 2. Again, see the criteria. 2 can be given to the patient. That means you can give Regulon to the patient who smokes but age less than 35 years. Now, the case of greater than 35 years, smoking. Here number is written 3. 3 means don't give this product to the patient. So Regulon cannot be given in the patient who are greater than 35 years of age and who is a smoker. So likewise, you can use all these criteria according to the numbering. For example, if 4 is written, that means it can't be given to the patient. Is 1 or 2 that can be given. So there are different conditions. For example, the other different condition is diabetes and obesity. Okay. So here obesity, BMI is greater than 30, it's 2. Regulon can be given, and all other type of contraceptives can be given. Okay, here diabetes, there was obesity, now there is diabetes. So in diabetes, yes, it can be given. Again in hypertension, blood pressure is a concern. For example, if blood pressure is between 140 and 159, okay, then it's 3. That means 3 means don't give this product to the patient. So combined oral contraceptive Regulon can't be given, but progestin only pill can be given because it's 1. If there is the blood pressure of is between 140 and 159. But if there is uncontrolled blood pressure, for example greater than 160, again number 4 is here. You cannot give combined oral contraceptive or Regulon, but progestin only pill can be given because it's number 2. Here number 3, implants number 2. Okay. So injectables can't be given, it's number 3. So likewise you can change the condition of the patient. Accordingly you can read the number and criteria. And what are these things? I will explain in a paper that what are these abbreviation means. But for your simplicity, all is written in at the back in below here. So all abbreviations are written here. You can read from here. Okay. For example, CIC means combined injectable contraceptive, COC combined oral contraceptive, CUIOD copper intrauterine device, CVR is combined contraceptive vaginal ring. So all abbreviations are written here. You can have the idea. Here you can see that there are some ABCs are written and explanation is given. Why this is so? Because again in the front you see that they along with the numbers at certain places there are ABC are written. For example, here 3L, L is written. So for L, you can go back and read that what does this mean. So here the L is written. L means if established an anticoagulation therapy equal to 2. So these ABCs are written with this number. So accordingly you can read that. For example, in cardiovascular disease, stroke, 2 along with M is written. For M, go back and read what is M. Okay, so in the M, if condition develop with while on this method, consider switching to non-hormonal method. That is the explanation of what alphabet is written along with the number. But forget about it, the important is the number. You see the number and read the criteria. Accordingly, you can see that which type of contraceptive can be used in different conditions. If you have any questions, just write to me. I will explain you in a detailing pattern. Thank you very much.